Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to set up a Claude code directly for completely free using Ollama and Gemma for setup. So Claude code, if you are actually, first of all, before watching this you need to have Claude code and Ollama installed inside your machine. So I've already assuming that you have already have Claude code directly installed. So if you haven't installed Claude code, the command is simple. This is actually the PowerShell command. If you are on Windows, you have to have this command to download and install Claude Code. So once it is installed, you can access Claude Code directly by pressing writing Claude. This will you can trust the folder. So by default, it will use this Sonnet 4.6 model, which is actually a paid model. So what we will be doing in this video, we will actually be using a completely open source model through Ollama. Ollama, you should have at least download this, click the download button, or you can also install this by using this. I already have Ollama installed. So simply install this exe file and this will install this model directly. So right here you need to search for the Google model, which is Gemma 4. It is completely open source model. You can directly use it. You can see it has almost 3.7 billion downloads. So it's actually uh, created, just released 2 days ago by Google. So command is simple, Ollama run Gemma 4. So first of all, now in the command line, simply paste this command, Ollama run Gemma 4. So this will actually download this model and inside your machine. So you should have at least downloaded this model so that we can use it. So just make sure you use the correct model. Yeah, so I think the model name is this one. But depending upon the size, you basically see, I think this is 9.6 gigabyte, 18 gigabyte. So you should have at least powerful machine, at least 32 gigabyte of RAM so that you can run these models. So in my opinion, you should at least use this one, which is this model. So what I will do, I will simply I will paste this command to install this. This will install up to 9.6 gigabyte. This will be the size here. So once it completed installation, now after that we can install, we can start Claude code using that model. So this will hardly take, depending upon your internet connection. So once it reaches 100%, your model will be installed, and then you can directly use Claude code through that command. So in the meantime, let me just ask here how to. So it will, after installing that, we will start Claude code with Ollama. So you can see it is still installing it. So after this, it installs, it reaches 100%, your model will be installed like this. Then you can select the model from here from Ollama and simply start that model, and directly you can chat with the model inside Claude code also. So the setup will remain the same. You simply run the command to first of all install this model through Ollama, and then you can run this model.